Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Meet and signing in. This ensures your settings save to your account. Once in the lobby or meeting, enable your camera so Meet can analyze your frame. Next, click the three dots menu or the background icon. This is the entry point for changing backgrounds. Do this now rather than later to avoid delays during the call. It lets Meet preload options and keeps your video smooth when you switch. Once done, choose from presets or click Upload to add your own image. You can use PNG or JPG for best results. Make sure your face is well lit because Meet uses contrast to separate you from the background. Poor lighting reduces accuracy. If you prefer subtlety, pick a light blur first. If you need privacy, choose a full background replacement. Remember, uploaded images save to your account so you can reuse them on other devices. To finish, close the background menu and check your video. Changes apply immediately so you can keep talking. If you see flicker or partial masking, make sure you are evenly lit and avoid patterned clothing. Improving light often solves it. If the option is missing, restart Meet, update your browser or app, or switch to a supported camera. Low-end devices or outdated software can block background replacement, so make those updates and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.